Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to treat under eye dark circles with turmeric powder and aloe vera gel. Please, if you find this video useful and helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share with your friends and loved ones. Also click on the post notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Aloe vera is a powerful moisturizer that helps reduce puffiness. It has anti-inflammatory property that helps treat sunburn, redness, and smooth irritation. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants. It contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant that helps get rid of inflammation. It can also help reduce redness, puffiness, and swellings. So, get a clean bowl, add 1.5 tablespoons of aloe vera gel into the bowl. Then add half a teaspoon turmeric powder into the bowl containing the aloe vera gel. Mix thoroughly to combine. Add 3 to 4 drops of eucalyptus essential oil to the paste. This mask can be used to treat redness, irritation, sunburn, puffiness. Even you can use it under the eyes and on the crease of the eyes. If you have puffiness and sleeplessness.